Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, the sound speaker in the Samsung Galaxy S6 phone. For this we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol in a diffuser like this or in a small container. It just depends on what you have available. You can buy a diffuser like this and the brush as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have the option, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your entire phone. You need to turn off the phone before starting the process. Never clean your phone while it's turned on, because you could damage it. Thoroughly moisten the brush with alcohol. Take the phone in your hand. If you look closely here on the side of the device, you will see the small buzzer opening, and we must clean it very carefully by consistently moving the cleaning brush at least 10 or even 15 times in one single direction to ensure that we thoroughly clean every part of the opening. After 15 strokes, move to the other side and clean it the same way. Again, 10 or 15 times. If the buzzer is very dirty, repeat the process 2 or 3 times to clean it thoroughly so everything works like new. It's best to repeat this process 2 or 3 times in each direction, as I mentioned earlier, and then the buzzer will be perfectly clean. After the procedure, set the phone aside for 10 or 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then your phone is ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.